Good evening, guys. Dr. John Balsamo, family chiropractor, Long Island, New York. A proud servant to my Long Island community. In the picture behind me, you see, some of you see nothing. I asked a few people what they see, but maybe you see two hands. In chiropractic, we're given these two hands. We're given these two hands to help you live a better life. When your chiropractor touches your spine and he finds and detects those misalignments that we call the vertebral subluxation, we apply those two hands onto your spine where you're misaligned. And we're looking to release that interference that sits just beneath those hands. Be focused on the table. Not sure if you know what that means, to be focused on the table. But in this office at Life is Beautiful Chiropractic, this is like in my headspace, it's like a dojo. It's like a training facility for you to get serious and kill your demons, crush your demons, slap the darkness in the face and turn on the lights. You know, the boogeyman and the bad things, the rats, the mice, they hate the light. Chiropractic is a profession of light. It's fantastic. It focuses on the tone of your body. It's so simple, and it needs so much exposure to this community. You know why? Because so many great people. You may be a person who doesn't believe. Come learn about chiropractic sooner than later, please. Your life is now, and time doesn't wait. Reach out, 631-376-0434. Have a great night.